More breaking news. Hurricane Michael's newest track released moments ago. The monster storm closing in on the Florida coast, bringing with it deadly storm surge, destructive winds, and serious flooding. Tonight, time is running out for families to get out.
It's life or death on the Florida Panhandle. The storm expected to make landfall tomorrow afternoon. Here's what we know tonight. Michael is a major hurricane, a Category 3 storm with winds whipping at 125 miles per hour. It's still expected to impact our viewing area on Thursday with heavy rain and downed trees. Before it gets here, though, it could be a historic landfall on the Florida Panhandle. The state's governor worried about the deadly storm surge.
The thing that scares me the most is people have seen wind. They have seen a lot of rain. They've even seen flooding. They have not seen storm surge like this.
Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich in the First Warn Storm Center tracking the very latest. Brad.
Yeah, the storm all night long. I've been keeping an eye on the hurricane hunters, which have been crisscrossing the storm tonight. They keep finding that the storm is rapidly intensifying. The storm is borderline Category 4 strength. The winds are at 125 miles per hour. It's still moving north at a very quick pace, 12 miles per hour, but the pressure continues to fall. There are some indications it could become a Category 4 within the next hour or so, and it is forecast to be a Category 4 tomorrow when it makes landfall right around Panama City, Apalachicola area. There's a very tight confidence on where the track is right now. This is not going to shift dramatically west or east. It's all about the intensity before landfall tomorrow morning at 130 miles per hour, then moving inland during the day. That it will weaken quickly. It'll be down to a Category 1 by Wednesday night as it moves over southern Georgia. It's going to have very strong winds, though, as it moves inland. Now, it'll continue to weaken as it moves up towards South Carolina. By Thursday morning, it's moving into the Midlands with winds of 45 miles per hour. It's going to stay to our south and continue to be around 40 to 45 mile an hour winds. But because we're on the western side of it, the winds will be the lightest issue with us. It's going to be about the heavy rain that moves in, and then it will race off the east coast of North Carolina. By Friday night, it's going to be long gone. In fact, we will be clearing out by Thursday night. So big storm, but moving very quickly. Tonight, you could see that pinhole eye very close to Panama City. That center of circulation is looking more intense with every satellite loop we get. Every couple minutes we're getting new imagery. It's about 195 miles from Panama City, and it will continue moving up there. So we're probably about 13 hours from landfall, but it's still almost 600 miles away from Charlotte. So that distance it'll be over land, even with the fast movement, will allow it to weaken quite a bit as it heads our way. But the rain is going to be the issue. We've already got showers moving ahead of it as it heads our way. So here's what you need to know. It's going to be a Category 4 tomorrow, making landfall probably around 2 or 3 in the afternoon. Impacts for us as a weak tropical storm Thursday. Heavy rains 3 to 5 inches Thursday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So this will be a daylight event. Winds 20 to 30 miles per hour. That's not bad with some higher gusts, but it does clear out quickly by Thursday night. The concern for downed trees, those winds and the heavy rain, we know what happens around here. That could bring down some trees and power lines. Coming up, I'll show you that timing of the winds and the rainfall coming up in your First Warn forecast.
Okay, Brett, thank you. We'll have